going to show you the school management solutions. So this is the school management solutions. I already logged in. So this is the dashboard which we am showing you. So here you can check teacher data, employee data, income or expense. You can check here on the dashboard. Here you can check the calendar if you want to check. Here you can check user type. Okay. After that, let me show you themes. So here you can find out themes data. Just a second. Yeah. So these themes we already integrated, so you can change on just click on activate option. After that, you can check these languages. So we already have some language for a demo like English, like others. If you need, then you can update or add. Here you just need to add language name once, and then you can. After that, we have a general settings. So let me show you. So this is general settings. Here you can easily update currency symbol. Okay, so these things you can update. Here is some other details which you can check on our dashboard. Here. After that, we have this is a multi-school management solution. So here you can add multiple schools. Okay, so here you can check the name of the schools, address, phone number, email, and currency symbol. Okay, so this is the schools database we had created for demo. If you want to add it, then you can add it as well. Okay, if you want to add new, then you can add. You just need to add some data, then you can add. Okay, so this is the user form, sorry, school form. After that, see, this is the payment settings. Here you can see these 4 payment gateways which we already integrated. So here you can check, here you can update like PayPal, Paytm, Paystack. So here you just need to add key like secret key or public key, so you can use. Okay, after that we have a SMS settings. So here you can add here you can check a list of SMS. If you want to add any, then you can just click on add option. So these are already enabled, so you just need to add only key, so it will be work. Like message 91 we already use, so you just need to add. See, this is the Twilio. Okay, after that we have our email settings. Please whenever you go for, so here you can set up email settings. Here you just need to select school management solutions, mail here, or send mail. Here you can add SMTP also is there, so you can manage. After academic year, users roles, so here you can make multiple roles. Okay, here you just need to add name and notes. After that, role permissions, so you can check or you can update what role permission you want to update. Here just click on a role permission settings. So here you can update role permission, what permission you want to allow or disallow. See, these all are permissions is related to the solutions which you allow, then they can easily use that or they can manage that. See these details. Okay, so I want to update, so I can update as well, or I can cancel, so it will be removed. Okay, so after that we have other options like manage super admin. So here you can check super admin data. If you want to create, then you can create as well. You just need to add some data, then it will. After the users data, you can check here. Here you can find out the complete user data. If you want to search, you just need to add some data like a school, user type, or user, and then find. So you find out the complete data. Okay, let me show you staff login. So here you can check staff data. So here you can manage login active or inactive, edit or view. Okay, after that, reset user password. So here you can reset as well. Here you can set reset username, user credentials which you can update, manage feedback, and etc. After that, we have a templates, SMS templates. Here you can check SMS template, or if you want to create, then you can create as well. After that, we have front office. So here you can check visitor purpose, visitor info. If you want to add, then you can add as well. After that, we have a call log, postal dispatch, postal receive. After that, we have a HR. So here you can check manage destinations. So here you can manage destinations. If you want to add, then you can add. After that, employees we have, so here you can check employee, or you want to create, then you can create as well employee. After that, we have a leave, so here you can check leave type. So here you can check leaves. So we already had some leave like CL, SL, EL. So here you can update or add. Here you can check leave applications, waiting application, approve or decline. After that, these are teacher data which you can check or you can update as well. If you want to create teacher, if you want to add it, then you can. You just need to add some data, then teacher will be live. After that, here you can check class lecture. If you want to add any lecture, then you can add. Then you can update lecture as well. Title, school, subject, and lecture and etc. Okay. After that, we have a live classes option. So here you can check many live classes. If you want, then you can add as well. Start time and time, no attendance on this. So if you want to send notification, then you can send notification as well. So here you can check classes data. We already added some classes, so if you want to add, update, then you can. After that, we have a section, so here you can manage section as well. Okay, if you want to need any section, then you can add section as well. After that, we have a subject. You can check subject data here. If you want to add any subject, then you can add subject as well. After the syllabus we have, so here you can manage syllabus. Manage study material, so you can manage study material. Class routines you can manage here. After that, we have a guardians option, so here you can check guardian options like school, photo, name. If you want to add, then you can create as well. You just need to add some details like name, professional, some user ID, password, which that guardian also can log in and check the data. Okay, so after the students, so here you can add student type. Okay, here you can check student type. If you want to add, then you can add. After that, student list, you can check complete student list here, or if you want to add, then you can add it. After that, admin, see, these are all details which you can check. Admin details is the same. Okay, after that, we have a bulk admission, so you can admission in a bulk also. See here you just need to have some data, or you need to import that file. Here you can check online admission data. After the student activity, you can check here. Okay. After the attendance we have, so here you can check student attendance. So here you can check student attendance. If you want to update, then you can update as well. First, let me show you the school name, class, section and date, like today's date or yesterday date. So we will find out the user data and then we can update as well. Currently we have not, and it's not showing. Let me show you teacher as well. So I just select, so I can find out the teacher data. So see here you can see present all, late all, absent all, like that. Employee attendance, absent email. So here you can send absent email to the receivers like students login or guardian login. After that, you just need to add class, receiver and etc. If any teacher, then we can add teacher. Then select template, absent date, subject and email body. Then we have a send messages, then we can. So after that we have a submission, so here you can manage submission as well. Here you can generate your ID card. If you want to add an ID card, then you can create ID card here. So here you can check admit card settings. If you want to add, then you can add. After the teacher ID, employee ID, student ID ID card. So all you can search it and you can create it, or you can generate it. Let me select some details. So here you can check, data will come and then you can print it as well. After that we have an exam, so here you can manage exam grade. So you can add or delete. If you want to add any, then you can add. After that we have exam terms, so here you can check exam terms. If you want to add, then you can add. Exam schedule, if you need to exam schedule, then you can schedule as well. After that we have our exam suggestion, so here you can check, or here you can add exam suggestion. Exam attendance, exam mark, manage mark. So here you can mark your exams. Okay, you can find out the data, or then it will work. Exam term result, merit list, mark sheet, result card, marks sent by email. So you can send it email, you can send SMS, or result you can send it. After that we have a promotion, so you can manage promotions. Certificates we have, so here you can add certificate type, or you can generate as well. In a library you can book issue, library members, or issue and returns, or ebook, which you can manage. After that we have transports, so here you can check vehicles data, because we already click on a vehicle, so here you can add vehicles. After that you can manage transport route, transport member, and then hostel. So here you can check hostel data, or if you want to add, then you can add or manage. Messages, you can check it here. After the mail and SMS, so here you can manage add mail and SMS. Here you can check mail data, you can manually send email. After that we have SMS, complaint, so here you can check complaint type, announcement, events. So here you can check the event data. So if you want to add, then you can add as well. After that we have a payroll, so here you can manage salary grade, so you can create multiple salary grades, or you can check salary. Payment you can manage easily. Okay, see salary management, let me show you. So payment to, then search, so we can find out data. So here you can check basic salary, hour rate, transport allowance, and etc, bonus, penalty. So payment method, month. Over here you can check expenditure head, and then head. After that we can check salary history. In accounting you can check discount, fees type, corrections, manage invoice, due receipts, invoices, invoice head, income, and etc. After these are already reported, which we already connected. So here you can check complete reports. Every type of reports you can find out here. After that we have a front-end data. Here you can manage the front-end pages and front-end sliders and etc. So here if you want to add, then you can add as well. If you want to manage sliders, then you can manage sliders, you can add sliders. So this is the complete data which we already show you. If you have any query, then we can connect. Thank you.